Hello everyone, my name is Amit, and in this video I discussed about banking, about the banking market, about the different types of institute, what they actually want to you, and many types of strategy. Okay, so listen carefully. If you are a really aspirant for examination, then listen to this carefully. Thank you. Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome to the world of competition. Here you can get anything about MBA and banking sector. And my name is Amit Anand. I am the faculty of CAT and banking. I teach quantitative aptitude and LRDI section. Okay. So how is your preparation going on for banking and CAT? It's going to good. So today I want to discuss on the one of the most important topic related to banking. Okay, the most of the students are in India prepare for the banking examination, and every year 20 lakh students appear in the banking examination, and only 2,000, 3,000, 5,000, maximum 20,000 seat in every include every banking sector. So if you are preparing for the banking sector, then which exam are you preparing for? SBI PO, IBPS PO, RRB PO, NABARD, RBI Grade B. After that, in clerk post, IBPS clerk, SBI clerk, RRB clerk, NABARD sector assistant, RBI assistant. So you are preparing for these examination. So if you see the syllabus of the banking, then you study mathematics, means that quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning, data interpretation, general awareness, and VARC, verbal ability and reading comprehension. So if you are preparing for examination, then last 2 years it is saying that most of the questions are based on the CAT pattern in mains examination. If you see the syllabus of mains examination of banking, the most of the topic come from CAT. Means that if you talk about the LRDI topic, the most of the LRDI topic are asking from the CAT examination every year in banking sector. But students focus on only pre-examination, not on mains examination. After cracking the pre-examination, they will focus on mains examination. But if you want to really crack the bank, then pre as well as mains start from now. And if you want to prepare for the next year in banking sector, they prepare it from now and select the topic. Firstly, see the syllabus. What is the real syllabus of banking? What actually ask in bank? Many institute, they give you offer, they give you discount, then Diwali offer, Durga Puja offer, वगैरह offer. Means that they only open a business. They don't tell you about the what banking actually ask in the examination. They only tell that yes, syllabus topic, English, quantitative aptitude, arithmetic, advanced, these types of area. Only tell you. But which types of question ask from the profit and loss? Which types of question ask from the time and work? Which types of pattern make in LRDI? What is the difference between LRDI in CAT sector and banking sector? How I work on the DI, how I work on the LR, how I decide on which topic is beneficial for me, how I practice more and more on selected question. They don't tell you. They only tell you get admission in my batch. Firstly, crack the pre. Then after that, many types of batch they will offer you, like sitting arrangement puzzle batch, sitting arrangement batch, arithmetic batch, advanced batch, DI batch, DI announcement, DI based on CAT batch. Means that in only banking sector they will offer you many types of batch. SBI PO batch, SBI clerk batch, IPS PO batch, IPS clerk batch, RRB PO batch, RRB clerk batch, achievement batch, success club, success batch, etc. etc. You are preparing for the banking examination. You are not opening the market of banking. Syllabus is one, syllabus is same, level of difficulty is different. So if you are prepared for banking examination, then one stop solution. Always ask bank quantitative aptitude LRDI and general awareness and BRC. So work on that topic. Na, yeah. Why are you spending more and more time to buy up different types of batch? Why do you why institute not why institute offer you only one batch? If they offer you only one batch, then their income will be decreased. If they don't offer you separate batch, then how will they increase their money? Main point is money. This batch, that batch. How many students in India? The more student in India, as well as the more compared to institute, then a large number of institute in India, they only offer you batch. So firstly, buy the only one batch of selected institute and work on that, and self study is the most important for you. Don't fully depend on the faculty. Prepare on, work hard on yourself also. The person who cracked the any examination talk about their strategy. They will follow the rule. They will follow their strategy, their own strategy, and follow the rule and crack the examination. And this scenario, student fully dependent on the faculty. Yeah, faculty is good. Guidelines of faculty is very important for you, but on the selected faculty, not that the many types of faculty are only offer you this batch, that batch. If teacher are good, they only offer you one batch, and they work on you and they work hard for you. Okay, then you will be selected in any examination. Otherwise, you only buy the different types of batch: pre-batch, mains batch, genius batch, topper batch, and hero batch. Okay, so work on that topic, yeah. Work on, think in your mind that what are you doing. Our mind is not used in any question and fully dependent on the faculty. Faculty will tell you. Firstly, effort yourself on that question, on that pattern. After that, if you will not solve, then ask the faculty. If you want simple method, that if you want to select in any examination, first work on you, work on yourself first. Select any institute and work on their guidelines. Okay, and after that, no, don't join any institute, only select any institute, select only one, and after that full syllabus is over, then work on you, work on your syllabus. Where if you are weak in any syllabus, to talk about the same faculty, not go to any other institute. Okay, so if you are preparing for the any examination, select a real institute who promise you that they will work on you, and their promise will be always 100% true. Okay, then you will crack the examination of any. Thank you so very much. We'll meet you in next session. Thank you.